So I'm doing an experiment to see if I can heat hot water or get hot water off of decomposing sawdust. And the reason why I'm doing this is because when you dig down in the sawdust, it's really hot. Just look, it's 30 degrees out. And I'm gonna see it's steaming? Now, I got a temperature gauge here. If I read that, it's 77 degrees. And that's only not even a foot deep. Now, what I have done here is I got 50 feet of 5/16 sugaring. And I got coils of it. I got 50 feet of it coiled up about 3 feet deep there. And this side is my inlet line. This side is my out line. So what I've done is I've dug a hole right here, put my coils in it, and when this decomposes, it's generating heat. So what it's doing is it's heating up the coils it's heating up the sugaring coil, or sugaring line coil, and it's heating up the water inside. So when I put the battery, when I hook up my pump right here, you'll see water comes out, and this water's warm, really warm. So what I'm going to do here is got my good old Dunkin' Donuts cup, and I got my temperature gauge. I'm going to measure the water going in, and then I'm going to take a temperature. I'm going to take the temperature of the water coming out. So, as you can see here, the water going in is 48 degrees. Now, when I hook this on, the water coming out is 61 degrees right now. There. Get rid of that and get some fresh stuff. There. Okay, see all that water that I got? $78 degrees. So 40. The water going in is 47. The water coming out is 78. So I think it's gonna work for our chicken hut, because we're gonna heat our chicken hut off of hot water.